if I have, well, if I'm if I have an equation like, sorry, y equals to x squared plus x plus, say, plus 5. If I have an equation looks like this, and I want to find the turning point and sketch it without, well, just say I want to find the turning point of this graph. Just okay. Uh, how do I do it? Is to use a formula. I write down the formula later. To put the equation in this form: y equals x plus a number square and plus another number there. Okay. To do that, we have to be you have to learn, you have to be familiar with the equation. A plus b square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, you have to be very familiar with this equation, and you always have to remember it. The idea, I show you how do we do it. We put x square plus x plus half square plus 5 minus half square. There, they are exact. The formula in this one and this one are exactly the same. Okay, because I plus half square and minus the half square, so the value doesn't change and the graph doesn't change. Okay, and now I can use this formula backwards: a square plus 2ab plus b square to transform this graph to this form. So the idea I do it, just look at this part and look at that part. In this part, your a is x and your b is half, because 2 times, well, and because, say, here in this graph, your a equals to x, your b equals to half, and we look at the middle part. 2ab will be x, which is here. They are all the same. These three terms face with these three terms there, so I can just transform it. It's x plus half square plus 5 minus half square, which is x plus half square plus 5 minus a quarter, which is 4 and 3 of a quarter. Okay. Now we know this graph is the same as the previous graph there, so the turning point is minus half and 4 quarter. Okay. Don't forget to make whatever in the bracket equal to 0, and x will be half, which is your horizontal, well, which is your x value for the turning point. Okay, and now we have obtained the turning point of this graph. If we draw this graph there, the turning point at minus half and 4/4, it will be there, and say I draw the graph there. That's your y, that's your x. Your y equals to x squared plus x plus 5. It has, and this point is 5. When x is 0, y is 5. Okay, and your turning point is minus half, comma 4 and 3/4 there. Okay, that's how do we. This is how do we draw a graph by finding out the turning point first. You have to learn this because some of the parabolas doesn't have an x-intercept. If it doesn't have an x-intercept, the only way you can draw the graph is to find out its turning point first, and then draw the graph and label the y-axis, y-intercept. Okay, and now I do some more examples, practice examples with you. Okay.